Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking to switch up your rice routine? Then you need to try this wild rice by Lundberg. It is delicious. Take a look at what's inside. 5 different types of rice. You have 2 different types of brown rice. You have wild rice, black rice, and red rice. And all of them have a distinct texture and flavor. So combining all those 5 different types of rice, you get a great gourmet taste. I like to use chicken broth when I make mine, but you can use just water. The final result is yummy rice. You can even eat it just plain without anything on it. It is delicious, and that's just my point of view.